Discover the 60 home design trends that look amazing, but will turn you into a cleaning maniac. 1. Dark wood floors. Show dust and scratches easily, requiring frequent maintenance. 2. Velvet furniture. Attracts pet hair and dust, making it hard to keep pristine. 3. High gloss cabinets. Fingerprints and smudges are highly visible, necessitating constant wiping. 4. Open-backed shelving units. Dust accumulates quickly, making regular cleaning essential. 5. Textured wallpaper. Difficult to wipe down and keep free from dust. 6. Brass fixtures. Tarnish and require regular polishing to maintain their shine. 7. White upholstery. Easily stained and challenging to clean without visible residue. 8. Floating shelves. Hard to clean beneath, leading to dust buildup. 9. Exposed brick walls. Dust and dirt settle in crevices, making them hard to clean thoroughly. 10. Black appliances. Show smudges and fingerprints, needing frequent cleaning. 11. Natural fiber rugs. Spills are hard to clean and can cause lasting stains. 12. Upholstered bed frames. Collect dust and require regular vacuuming. 13. Stainless steel countertops. Show scratches and fingerprints prominently. 14. Frameless glass showers. Water spots and soap scum are hard to remove. 15. Minimalist furniture. Shows clutter easily, requiring constant tidying. 16. High pile carpets. Difficult to vacuum and clean thoroughly. 17. Open plan living spaces. Harder to keep organized and clean due to lack of barriers. 18. Glass doors. Fingerprints and smudges make them look dirty quickly. 19. Lacquered furniture. Prone to chipping and scratches that are hard to repair. 20. Cement tiles. Porous nature makes them prone to stains. 21. Chandelier lighting. Dusty and hard to clean due to intricate designs. 22. Open fireplace. Ash and soot can spread throughout the room. 23. Antique furniture. Requires delicate and specialized cleaning techniques. 24. Natural stone floors. Easily stained and require specific cleaning products. 25. Glass railings. Show fingerprints and dust, needing constant attention. 26. High ceiling fans. Hard to reach and clean, leading to dust buildup. 27. Large windows. Need frequent cleaning to maintain a clear view. 28. Built-in bookcases. Dust accumulates on books and shelves. 29. Indoor water features. Prone to algae growth and hard to clean. 30. Minimalist kitchens. Require constant tidying to maintain their sleek look. 31. Frameless mirrors. Edges collect dust, making cleaning difficult. 32. Sliding barn doors. Dust collects in the tracks, requiring regular maintenance. 33. Chevron patterns. Dirt collects in the grooves, making cleaning challenging. 34. Wall-mounted TV units. Hard to dust behind and keep clean. 35. Farmhouse sinks. Require more scrubbing to keep clean due to their size and shape. 36. Leather furniture. Requires special cleaning products and regular maintenance. 37. Large area rugs. Hard to clean thoroughly without professional help. 38. Floating vanities. Dust collects underneath, necessitating frequent cleaning. 39. Rattan. Furniture. Dirt gets trapped in the weaving, making cleaning difficult. 40. Open closets. Clothes collect dust more easily without doors. 41. Velvet sofas. Attracts dust and pet hair, requiring frequent cleaning. 42. Mirrored furniture. Shows fingerprints and dust easily, needing constant attention. 43. White carpets. Prone to stains and discoloration, hard to maintain. 44. Marble floors. Porous and easily stained, requiring special cleaners. 45. Textured ceilings. Collect dust and cobwebs, difficult to clean. 46. Glass dining tables. Show smudges and fingerprints, needing frequent wiping. 47. Patterned upholstery. Hard to match for cleaning and repairs. 48. Bamboo flooring. Sensitive to moisture and prone to scratches. 49. Woven baskets. Collect dust and debris in the weaving. 50. Intricate light fixtures. Hard to clean due to complex designs. 51. Metallic wall paints. Show fingerprints and smudges prominently. 52. Solid wood doors. Require regular polishing to maintain their finish. 53. High maintenance plants. Require constant care and can drop leaves and debris. 54. Custom window treatments. Hard to clean and expensive to replace. 55. Concrete countertops, prone to staining and require sealing. 56. Floating stairs, hard to clean underneath and around. 57. Copper sinks, tarnish easily and need regular polishing. 58. Acrylic furniture, shows scratches and fingerprints clearly. 59. Silk curtains, delicate and hard to clean without damage. 60. Vintage appliances, hard to maintain and find replacement parts.